Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 907 at Singapore Marriott Tang Plaza Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right there, a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the entrance to the bathroom, and the door for the bathroom also doubles up as a mirror. Hello? It is a sliding door. Okay, once inside the bathroom, we have towels and the bath mat right there. Inside the shower area, we have a laundry line right there together with a hook. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above with the handheld shower right there. We have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel right there with a place to sit right there. Okay, so towels, the sink, bottles of water, couple of glasses, another towel, all the bathroom amenities. There's a mirror right there with a bit of storage, power outlets for shavers, and a mirror right above the sink with a ring light around it. The toilet is right there with toilet paper, toilet tissues, depending on what you call it. And there's a bathroom right there with hooks right above. Yet another set of mirrors right here with another ring light. And it is actually the vanity area. There's a box of tissues right there with a chair, a bin, and right here we have a power outlet. Opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe area. On the right side, we have the ironing board, another bathrobe, storage, the iron together with the hair dryer, in-room safe, and more storage drawers below. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom and the foyer. And here we have the beds. It is a twin bedroom, so we have one bed right there and another bed right there with the bedside table in the middle. For the bedside table, we have the hotel directory below with in-room dining and the breakfast menu. A storage drawer right there. Writing materials. You can also scan the QR code for the room service menu. We have the in-room telephone, the TV remote with the TV guide, light switches behind the light, and there are also a couple of power outlets. And speaking of the light, it is right there, and there's a mirror behind the light and a clock right there. Okay, piece of artwork, the climate control panel, and on the left, wardrobe, which I just realized I've not shown you. We have the in-room slippers below. I believe that's the shoe shine thing, laundry stuff, place to put your luggage. We have hangers right above with more storage above it. There's a power outlet down there. Here we have the pantry area with the minibar menu And right above the pantry area is a flat screen Samsung TV. To the left of the pantry area is a power outlet. And let's return back to the pantry area. To the left we have a couple of mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff, and snacks down below. To the right we have a couple of glasses, the kettle, and in the middle it's not an empty fridge, but there's still a place to store your own items in. There's a bin down there. It is a dual bin setup, so you have the recycle part to the right and the normal bin to the left. Here we have the desk area with the chair in the middle, another in-room telephone, more writing materials, a couple of notes from the hotel, more bottles of water, a desk light, a storage drawer right there with a Tang's information card. And to the left of the desk area we have 3 power outlets. There's a standing light right there with an armchair and a table. And as for the view, I get the building that's next to the hotel. I believe that's a residential building, and actually more residential buildings behind the hotel. There's the road right there, and that's the Tang Plaza / Marriott car park right there. Can't see my car because I parked somewhere in that area, but yeah, you can see the car park. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 907 at Singapore Marriott Tang Plaza Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.